This is the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker, which you can buy in white smoke, black and stone blue. At one end you have a little loop that you can hold or buy a clip to mount to a bag. Here you can see the mesh where the speakers are. USB Type-C charger. The speaker is Bluetooth only, so there's no aux input. Now we're going to turn the speaker on and connect it to our phone. Then we're going to test the speaker out by playing some music. Here you can see the Bose Flex SoundLink. Now we're connected, we can play some music off our phone. As you can see, this is easy to carry with a fabric loop. The sound is clear and the bass was good. When I turned this speaker up as loud as it could go, the speaker could handle it no problem. It has a battery life of 12 hours on a single charge. Here you can see the size of the speaker compared to my hand, and you get a good grip with a soft silicone back, and it has a powdered coating steel grille on the front. Now we're going to have a look at the Bose app. Here you can change any of the settings of the speaker and also link up other speakers. This speaker is 9 cm high, 20.1 cm wide, 5.2 cm deep and is 0.6 kg in weight. And the charging time is approximately 4 hours when using the original cable. It has a Bluetooth range of up to 9 meters, which is 30 feet, and the Bluetooth version is a 4.2. Now we've connected the app to the speaker. Here we're going to have a look at the different options you got. In the bottom right we've got the battery life. In the top right icon is the settings. The 2 speaker icon allows you to connect other Bose speakers to all play at the same time. And the top left icon gives you a few more bits of information. This speaker also has a built-in microphone which acts as an extension of the microphone in your mobile device. This has a well-built case, great little speaker, very durable. It also has an IP67 rating, waterproof. If you drop this speaker in water it will float, so it's easy to retrieve again. And these Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones are also great and worth checking out. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Thanks for watching, welcome to the channel, I'll see you on the next one.